Alright, statistics for moves 6 to 9 based on over 10 million games. The evaluation is store.
C5.
Knight C3.
E6.
G3.
D5.
D3.
D captures on E4.
Knight captures on A store.
Bishop E7.
Bishop G2.
Knight F6.
Knight captures on F6. Check.
Bishop captures on F6.
Knight A2.
Knight C6.
Castle's kingside.
Castle's kingside.
Knight C3.
Bishop E7.
Knight A store.
Bishop D7.
Bishop A3.
B6.
F store.
Rook C8.
Queen D2.
F5.
Knight C3.
Bishop F6.
Well, A1.
Knight D4.
Bishop captures on D store.
C captures on D4.
Knight B1.
Queen C7.
Well, F2.
Rook Fe8.
Well, F2.
H6.
Queen B store.
A5.
Queen D2.
E5.
C store.
D captures on C3.
D captures on C3.
E captures on F4.
Well, captures on A8. check.
Bishop captures on E8.
G captures on F store.
Bishop F7.
D store.
B5.
A3.
B4.
C captures on B store.
A captures on B4.
A captures on B store.
Queen B6.
King H1.
Bishop captures on D4.
B5.
Rook D8.
Queen C2.
Queen captures on B5.
Knight D2.
Bishop F2.
Rook A5.
Queen D3.
Queen captures on D3.
Rook captures on D3.
Knight F1.
Rook D1.
Rook captures on F5.
Bishop C4.
Bishop F3.
Rook captures on F1 check.
King G2.
Bishop E3.
Bishop D5 check.
Bishop captures on D5 check.
King captures on F1.
Bishop E6.
Rook A5.
Bishop H3 check.
King A2.
Bishop captures on F4.
Rook A store.
G5.
King F2.
King G7.
Rook A1.
H5.
Rook A1.
H4.
Rook A3.
Bishop F5.
H3.
Bishop G3, check.
King G2.
Bishop E4, check.
King G1.
King F6.
What? A6. Check.
King F5.
What? A5. Check.
King F4.
What? A3.
Bishop E1.
King H2.
Bishop B4.
What? A6.
King F3.
What? F6. Check.
King E3.
What? D6.
Bishop D2.
What? D2.
Bishop A5.
What? A2.
Bishop C7, check.
King G1.
Bishop F4.
What? A2. Check.
King F3.
What? G2.
Bishop F5.
What? F2. Check.
King G3.
If you liked the video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.